Morning, ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris Ozcanopies and 4x4 back here again. What do we got? We've got a 2017 Navara in getting a tow bar and a wiring harness fitted. It should be a pretty straightforward install. This is going to be applicable for all 2015 onwards Navaras. Tray, tub body, all the same. Let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, hopefully you enjoyed the installation process of this tow bar on this Nissan Navara. You guys can see very, very straightforward install. Alright, it's from our partners at BTA. These ones have a 3.5 ton towing capacity. We've just gone ahead and put the plug and play wiring on there as well. If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to see more of this. And then on top of that, if you've got a vehicle and you want to know what's the best price on a tow bar, please give us a call, 0296 278 666. Other than that, I'll see you guys on the next one.